is going on, my YouTube friends? Yeah, look at the dirt. Got crap all over me. I've been scrubbing on the bottom of this Fairmont today. Cleaned the garage yesterday, scrub on Fairmont today. Yeah, buddy, gotta love it. Anyhow, I hope you guys are having a great day. It started raining here this morning, but it warmed up. The sun came out. Come out here, nice and warm, though on my garage. I had the heater on, you know what I mean? Shoot, man, I've been scrubbing the back half of this Fairmont and the belly again. There's still more spots that I've missed, and I got to get a little toothbrush or something, get in the little corners and stuff and get all that stuff cleaned up. Yeah, I know it don't have to be that clean, but I'm that particular, you know. It's just me, guys, just me. And, you know, once I get started on something like this, I want it to be right. Can't help it. But anyhow, so I've been using my Totally Awesome cleaner on this, man, and I'm telling you, that stuff is totally awesome. You know, I mean, just squirt it on here, let it set a little bit, come down, and just started scrubbing. Got my little scrub brush going and scrub brush going, and you know what I mean. It's all that good stuff, yeah. So like a little bit of a tongue twister. No. But anyhow, guys, let me turn this around. We'll see what we got going on. Yeah, baby, look at there. So I got all up in here, clean and all down there on the trunk area. Got all that knocked out, up top in there. You know what? Let me get a flashlight here. Here we go. This is better. So yeah, you can see right up in there, I got everything nice and clean. So it's looking good. Oh yeah. Up in here, all in there is good. You know, I mean, I've done the belly again. It got up underneath, all down in here. Got all that nice and clean up in there. Right there, all nice and clean, all up in here. So yeah, I mean, it's looking good. Looking good, yeah. Remember how dirty and black this was and everything right there? So yeah, it's coming together real nice, real nice. You know. Guys, I got a new iPad Pro, so this is what I'm using. And it's gonna take me a minute to get used to it, so I'm sorry for the shakiness and everything. But this is working out really good. You know, we're getting all that nice and clean. So I mean, got up in there in that little hole there. Got up in there. But see, I'm saying there's still stuff that I still need to get back in here, up in there. You know, so I'm just trying to get the best I can right now, but some crevices I'm gonna need a toothbrush or a smaller brush to get in there and do it. So let me turn this back around. Yeah, like I says, once I get, you know, the little brush and get up in there really good and stuff and, you know, kind of flatten it out a little bit, you know, sand it down a little bit or whatever, scuff it up, whatever, you know, just kind of smooth it out, make it look good. I'm gonna, you know, spray some primer on it. Still up in here about the epoxy. I'm still up in here. And etching, I guess that's not for sanding, so I guess the epoxy primer does the same thing. This is what I'm getting out of it. Maybe I'm wrong, let me know. But right now, everything looks like it's gonna be epoxied and painted, you know. I'm gonna use undercarriage paint, and we'll get that done. And you know, it's gonna be nice when I'm done with it. No matter what I use, it's gonna be nice. My problem is I want it to be long lasting. And I know the car's not gonna be driven in the winter or in the rain or anything like that, but you never know. One day I might have to put some truck tires on the back of this thing and drive it in the snow. You never know. Or whoever owns it after me one day might have to do it. Who knows? But I really want to make it so it's long lasting. That's my biggest goal. And I want it to look good. So it don't have to look like professional, but it's got to look good, you know. So I can say I did that. I didn't pay somebody 10 grand to do that. I did that, you know. So anyhow, hey, I appreciate you guys every single day. I really do. You guys are awesome, man. And there's no use making these videos without you guys. So thanks for keeping coming back, and thanks for commenting. I really appreciate it. And I try to watch your videos the best I can. And I'm telling you, if I don't comment, I am leaving you a thumbs up because I listen to you while I'm at work. So it's kind of hard to me to comment and everything when I'm at work and be typing, because I gotta, no matter what I'm doing, I'm always doing something. So guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't think I don't. Have a great rest of your day. Hey, and let's not talk about snow. I don't want to talk about snow no more. No.